The campaign It's On Us is a national movement launched in September of 2014 that aims to end sexual assault. It was created by President Barack Obama and the White House Council on Women and Girls. It is a prevention campaign that is designed to combine innovative content and organizing techniques to spark conversation on what sexual assault is and how people can prevent it on a national level. It's On Us has partnered up with over 95 different organizations and has visited around 500 college campuses and works to spread awareness on sexual assault. Sexual assault is an act in which a person intentionally sexually touches another person or physically forces a sexual interaction among someone without their consent. This is a health issue that is underrepresented for how common it actually is. Sexual assault could happen to both males and females. 1 in 5 women will be raped in their lifetime, and 1 in 71 men will be raped in their lifetime. This health issue should be talked about more because in 8 out of 10 cases of rape, the victim actually knew the perpetrator. We care about this health issue because every 92 seconds an American is sexually assaulted. On average, about 321,500 people are sexually assaulted every year. The campaign's goal is to prevent sexual assault from happening, to recognize that non-consensual assault is sexual assault, to identify in which sexual assault may occur, to intervene in situations where consent has not or cannot be given, and to create an environment in which sexual assault is unacceptable and survivors are supported. The target publics for this campaign are primarily college students, both males and females, and young adults. Those of the age 65 and older are 92% less likely than those of the ages 12 through 24 to be a victim of rape or sexual assault. It is important that this campaign targets college students because college is an extremely vulnerable place where sexual assault can occur, and the college community is not as educated on this health issue as they should be. This campaign also targets sexual assault survivors, which allows for this community to open up about their personal experiences and feel safe. This campaign uses several strategic decisions with the intention to persuade their target by using the hashtag #It'sOnUs to create audience interaction among younger crowds. This strategy allows for target publics to interact with the campaign on social media while spreading awareness on sexual assault. The campaign uses pathos or appeal to empathy by providing a space on their website that gives the opportunity for sexual assault victims to share their story. This is a smart strategy because it creates empathy for people to want to join the movement while also creating a fear appeal to others in realization that sexual assault can happen to anyone. This campaign is also designed to pair with the It's On Us logo to spread publicity and implemented the strategy identification by featuring celebrities in their campaigns, such as Nina Dobrev and Matt McGorry. Although I think using celebrities is a strong way to draw attention to something, I think the campaign would benefit if they used celebrities that were more recognizable to college students. This campaign uses social media as a tactic. You can follow this campaign on media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and join the other 22.4 thousand followers on their Instagram. This particular tactic is very strong because social media is one of the fastest ways to reach this younger audience. It's On Us uses advertisements as a tactic by creating content-heavy PSAs that have garnered over 9 million views. Their 3 most popular advertisements are called Anthem, Olympics, and One Thing, all in which you can find on their YouTube channel. Although advertisements can be beneficial, I do not think this is a strong tactic for this specific campaign because college students may not be searching sexual violence on YouTube. It's On Us uses partnerships as a tactic to spread awareness about their campaign and build relationships with others who are passionate about sexual assault prevention. It's On Us has partnered with over 82 organizations, over 28 universities, and over 10 different sororities and fraternities. Another tactic this campaign uses is hosting events to raise publicity and awarenesses on sexual assault. October 9th through the 15th is the It's On Us National Week of Action, where this campaign dedicates the whole week to promoting sexual assault prevention. It's On Us celebrates Sexual Assault Awareness Month the whole month of April, in which It's On Us encourages universities to host small events and activities to raise awareness. These events are put on in the hopes of encouraging college students to engage in sexual assault prevention. This campaign has reached its previous goal, but works to keep expanding. It's On Us hopes to reach 1,000 college campuses by the end of 2019. Since this campaign launched, over 350,000 people have taken the It's On Us pledge, in which everyone can access on their website. It's On Us continues to be successful by putting on sexual violence prevention events and creating new partnerships while strengthening the existing ones. I learned from this campaign how common sexual assault really is. Beyond that, this campaign helps me understand consent and what it means to really give consent. This is important for me to know as I go through my college years because sexual encounters are all different, and it is crucial that I could decipher if something is sexual assault or not. I also learned in general what I could do to prevent sexual assault and where I could go to report it. I think by this campaign educating people and providing a solution where to report sexual assault is so important because there are so many people that have something to say but do not know who to go to and do not know who to talk to.